Hey Charmers!
Hi.
So today we're going to talk about the sneak peeks for this upcoming Boxy pop-up.
Yes, it's very exciting. We have 7 different categories for you guys, and we're pretty much gonna go over some of the sneak peeks for each of them. So if you wanna see what we got, then just keep on watching.
The first category is going to be makeup, and we're just going over a few of the products that will be available in pop-up. And so some of the few products would be like the Cushion Foundation from Juice Beauty, which is pretty awesome.
Let me tell you, that is very innovative.
Isn't it?
Yes, the packaging is actually very modern. It's very different than anything you have seen before. And look at that. Yes.
And then we have the Kaja Beauty Heart Melter Lipstick, which is really awesome. It's like a lightweight lipstick, so it's not heavy, it's shiny like a gloss, not sticky, it's really awesome.
Cute. I have here with me the Benefit Cosmetics Brow Contour Pro, and let me just tell you, this is so cool. As you can see here, it has different shades which you can basically use for any part. You can use it for your brows, you can use it to highlight. It's very simple, and the tip is actually very fine. I love it. It's like on the go for your brows. I know, it's so practical. And I also have the Milk Cosmetics Ubame Mascara. I love the packaging, very sleek. I'm a sucker for white packaging. I don't know, it just makes it look cuter in my opinion. And it gives your mascara like a shade deeper than black. It's amazing.
The next category we're gonna dive into is skincare.
Skincare.
The first one I want to talk about really quickly is Glam Glow. So this set is really amazing. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different travel size products, and
I'm obsessed.
Everyone loves Glam Glow.
I'm obsessed.
You have something to firm, hydrate, detoxify, brighten, moisturize, and then you have a clarifier. What more do you need?
Basically a little bit of everything on the go. This is perfect for traveling. I mean, it's
perfect for gifting as well.
Can I keep this?
This is awesome.
I'm gonna talk about the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizer Cream. Is a daily moisturizer, and let me tell you, this is amazing. It's perfect for every skin type, so it doesn't matter if you have dry skin, combination, or oily. In my case, I am oily, but this works perfectly fine with my skin type. Plus, it's very lightweight, which I appreciate because I don't like a heavy moisturizer for like the day-to-day kind of thing. So yeah, this baby is amazing.
The third category we're gonna touch base on is
hair, baby.
Hair. And
can you show us, please?
This is definitely the first one. This ponytail is by insert name here, and I actually have it in now. You can wear it as a low pony or a high pony. Bomb.
I really want to put this on.
It is a game changer, really.
Like, it feels so nice. It has some texture to it, which makes it look even more realistic once you put it on. And I mean, I'm sorry, you look amazing.
Got my life together real quick, okay? So quick little thing about this ponytail, which is really awesome, is that you have a clip here so you can insert it to the base of your ponytail.
How thoughtful.
Very thoughtful. And then you have Velcro. So once you insert this clip in, you wrap this Velcro around.
Yes.
Your ponytail will be inside here. Then it has extra hair so you can cover the Velcro piece.
And the bobby pins are already included as well.
And you have 2 awesome bobby pins, and then boom, you have
1, 2, 3, your
ponytail.
Your ponytail is gonna be honey snatched.
AKA what I did back here.
Yes, sis.
And I didn't use a mirror to apply this. Just
literally, she did that without even looking at the mirror. That was amazing.
a minute tops.
I'm obsessed. Seriously, like, I really, like, yes.
I might just walk out with this, just saying.
And we have also many colors. So we have this black, this
deep brown, that's like a medium brown.
Yeah.
And then you got platinum, baby.
Blondie. Amazing. I want to talk about this product. This is by PYT. This is the Savage Moisture Mask. And let me tell you, I am a fan of hair masks. I personally don't do conditioners because I feel like my hair is too thick. So every time I find a good hair mask, like this baby's a keeper. Plus, look at how huge this is. Like, you're not gonna run out of this for a long time. And it smells it's almost like sweet, but not overly powering. It's really, really good. I'm obsessed.
That's really nice.
It's huge.
Really
I mean, yes to this.
So this product right here from Chlorane is the anti-pollution purifying mist, which is really great. It's great for all hair types, great for the scalp. You can use this after you work out. It's great to get rid of odors. So if you're in a restaurant and they have doing barbecue, smoke down the house,
very often.
You can mist this into your hair and it gets rid of the odor, which is really awesome. And wow. And it smells so good.
It smells really, and I feel like the size is actually very appropriate for your purse, so you can actually like just keep it in there, you know. Okay, next category is bath and body. I have here with me the shower gel by Caress. This one particularly is the vanilla and guava, which
Ooh, wow.
as a Latina,
Yes.
I love anything with guava, but they also have two other scents. This one is cashmere rose, and they also have violet, and the packaging is adorable.
Love it.
I mean, these will be perfect as a gift even.
Yeah.
Like, how cute are they, right?
Definitely
And they
love that.
smell delicious. I am obsessed. I love them, truly.
Amazing. So what I have here is the Cusio I really hope I'm butchering the name. I'm very sorry, but this is going to be your milk bath. This is perfect for post-fitness soaking, which is absolutely amazing. Post-fitness soaking is getting rid of the toxins. This sounds really interesting. I've never had a milk bath before.
But
feel
I
like-
would with this.
Right? I
Me
really
neither,
feel
but
like this would
I
be
feel like, yeah.
relaxing, especially
I feel like
after
it
a
would
long
clean my
day.
pores after like a gym session. I
love
this
this.
is something that I would like to try.
Yeah, definitely.
Just cleanse my whole soul.
Keep in mind, you guys, these are just a few of the products that are available. There's so
Yes.
many more items that are available.
Yeah, literally, if we were to go through everything, we will be here for 48 days. But this is just a little bit of everything you can find in our pop-up store.
At a huge discount, you guys. Huge.
Yes, we gotta keep that in mind. This, like, you don't find these products anywhere else with this price. It's truly fantastic.
So, with that being said, let's get into our next category. Alright guys, so the next category that we're going to talk a little bit about is going to be tools. And everybody needs tools.
Yes,
So the
of
first thing I want to talk about is the Personal Microderm. This is going to be really great. When you use this product, it's going to increase hydration in your skin. It's going to reduce the appearance of pores, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles,
Basically, everything we need in life.
even out your skin tone, diminish the dark spots and blemishes. This is basically everything you need in life.
Exactly. We need it ASAP. I want to talk about the New Me Blowout Boutique set. It's a gift set. Look at this, you guys. This is amazing. You literally get a little bit of everything. We have a blow dryer. You have two different headsets. This is the concentrator. You have also a diffuser. You have some hair clips, a brush, very necessary, and also a microfiber head wrap. I mean,
That's
the
amazing.
case is very sturdy as well.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can hear that.
Yeah, that's really good.
Yes,
So it won't
so-
damage the stuff inside.
Exactly.
Really awesome.
Plus, it's pink. Like, how eye-catching is this? It's fantastic. I really, really like the Numi brand.
We're both really excited about
Yes.
this next one. So we have the Luxie 30-piece brush set. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. So this retails for about $400, you guys. $400, and it's gonna be available on BoxyPopUp site for $89.
I mean, if we're talking about a steal,
This is
This is
definitely
it.
a steal. Luxie brushes are high quality. They're
Yes, they
amazing.
are.
This entire set, you can beat a face, your eyes, everything. You have everything you need in this, which is awesome.
plus, I feel like if you're a makeup lover, like, you cannot go wrong with this. If you have someone that is interested in doing makeup or they just love makeup as it is, this would be an amazing gift.
It's a
Like,
great gift, great starter kit. Like, I want this. I'm not
I
starting
want
them, but
this.
I want this. This is
I know.
awesome.
It's awesome.
Last but not least, just right here, we have the blow dryer, but we also have the Foxy Bay curling wand. This is the Hot Tropic print, which is really awesome, great for all hair types. It keeps the curl. This wand actually does heat up really quickly, which is awesome. We like to save time.
And it
time
comes with the
efficient.
same print
Yeah,
as well.
it
It's
does.
so adorable.
This is the actual print of the wand. And what's really awesome about this too is that it does come with a heat resistant glove, which is awesome. And the fingertips of the glove are, should I just show you guys the glove?
Yeah, might as well.
Might as well, so I'm talking about the glove.
I appreciate every time I get a tool and it comes with the actual glove because I'm very clumsy myself. Look at that.
So the glove, the tips are reinforced because we
That's
don't want to
awesome.
burn our fingertips, which this is really awesome.
That's really awesome, actually. Okay, you guys, when I saw that this baby was gonna be part of the pop-up, I got so excited. This is the Kopari deodorant. This one particularly is in the scent coconut oil, and let me just tell you, this is my deodorant.
Yeah.
I use this every single day. It smells amazing. Have you ever?
No, I've not. I have one, but I haven't used it yet.
I'm telling
Ooh,
you.
wait a second.
I know.
I love that.
It
I
smells
love that.
so good, and it's also vegan. I mean, you cannot go wrong. Plus, it's so nice, and again, it does its job. It does what it's supposed to do.
It looks like a little goes a long way. It looks like
it does, actually. It has lasted me a pretty long time. Plus, we have to mention that it's also aluminum free and parabens free, which is amazing. What do you got?
Okay, so I'm not sure if everyone has heard about Sugar Bear vitamins. I've seen this one everywhere. So
yes.
This is the Sugar Bear hair vitamin, which is going to be great and excellent for your hair. It has biotin, which is also good for hair, skin, and nails. Then we have the sleep vitamins. They're all vegan, by the way, all of these vitamins.
That's awesome.
Super great. So this is the sleep vitamins that has melatonin to help you sleep nicer, more at ease. And then lastly, we have the women's multivitamin. Again, also vegan, and with each purchase of one of these vitamins, you get this cute little scrunchie.
I love it. You can never have enough scrunchies, in my opinion.
They're in too.
I know, right?
Scrunchies are in. They're coming back.
They're actually very thoughtful. Because
Amazing.
they don't get tangled in my hair.
That's true, they don't. And they don't snag either.
Exactly. I want to talk about these Bala weights. These are some weights for your hands. You can use it obviously for working out, building up some muscle, building up some resistance. You guys know, team, I am obsessed with working out. I am a fan. These are 1 pound and I love the color. They are
really
so
cute. Actually, yeah.
Like, let me take them out so you guys can see. Like, they go around your...
Oh wait, they're comfortable. It's like
I know, it's very
silicone.
soft.
Wow.
You know what I mean? So it's not gonna hurt your skin. And you literally put them around your wrists, and I love them, honestly. Plus, again, it's so soft that it's not gonna hurt my skin.
No, this is really nice.
This is perfect, honestly.
Perfect on the treadmill, doing actually whatever. You can use this
I
with
know.
extra weights. This is really
Yeah,
cool.
it's really, really fantastic. I like it.
Great, Bala.
Come through.
The next product I want to talk to you guys about is the Black Teeth Whitening Charcoal Powder. You can use this about 3 times a week. It helps with whitening your teeth. So you're going to dip your toothbrush into the product and you're going to scrub for about 2 minutes, then rinse your mouth. 3 times a week, I think that's really awesome. We all want whiter teeth, and I love that charcoal is not very harsh. It's not a chemical that you're putting into your mouth, which is your body. So I really love this.
And I actually, like, I have tried this before. You can see the difference, like, automatically. As soon as you try it, you see the difference.
We love
Oh,
results.
yes, we love results, people. Okay, next category is home decor. I have with me the Swig Life Stemless Wine Cup. And let me just tell you, these are adorable. I really, really like them. They have like really cute messages. Like this one says, let's drink wine and judge people. Like,
oh my god, that's so
that's
cute.
hilarious. And I love the color. And it comes with the straw.
Amazing. So
The straw is not plastic, by the way, which is amazing. I really, really like this. And again, it's something cute, you know, to sip on your wine.
I love that you can close the top.
Yeah.
So nothing can get in here. And if you're not a wine drinker, you can put other cold items in here as well. Hot items.
It's cute. It's cute.
That.
I like it a lot. It's cute. What do you got?
Amazing. So I have with me some really cute pieces. So this is from Concepts in Time, and one says, "Pardon my French and girl boss, really love this. Cute for the office, for home, in your bedroom. I love the rose gold and the gold finish. They're very in right now, so super trendy."
I really, really like that one.
Right?
So
girl
cute.
boss, hey, what's up?
Yes, girl.
What we're going to talk to you about right now is super exciting, super big.
So huge. Let's just put it right here in the middle of us. What?
A skincare fridge, you guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's open her up.
You got it? Oh.
Hi. Hello.
This is by Teamy, and it is a skincare fridge, as you can see.
Amazing. Your serums can go in here, moisturizer. You can put your sheet masks in here. Really refreshing, cooling the skin.
Like
we love
eye
this.
pads. Oh my god. For depuffing the eyes, this is amazing. Honestly, I would even put like my primers.
Oh my goodness.
Because if you apply like a primer that is cold, it's gonna shrink your pores. And your makeup is gonna look even more.
Genius. Love this print too. This is fantastic.
Oh.
You guys, you can actually also change the temperature setting from cold to warm, which is really, really, really awesome. I love that. Versatility.
Yes, honey.
Versatility.
We are obsessed.
So imagine putting like a clay mud mask in there. So when you
Yes.
put it warm,
It would open up your pores and just take all that gunk out. This is amazing. Plus, the design is so cute. Who doesn't like marble? It's so beautiful.
I'm a huge fan.
Right?
And the fridge is by Teamy. We love you. Alright, you guys, so the next category we're stepping into is jewelry and accessories. First one we have is Alex and Annie.
How cute are these? I love them. Let me show you guys. They have like different charms. And
really cute.
they kind of represent like something different. For instance, this one that I have represents strength, motivation, and knowledge. How adorable is
That's
that?
awesome. This one's the one I have, and this one is Path of Life, and it comes with a cute little message insert, which I think is awesome. I think this is really cute. Great, another great gift, or if you love jewelry, collectibles, this is really also nice to have into your collection.
Let's talk about this. This is a travel case by Lula.
Ooh.
Look how adorable. We have two different colors, and this one, particularly the one I have, was specifically made for Boxycharm, which is amazing.
Awesome.
I love how spacey and roomy it is.
It is
inside.
super, and it has a cute little mirror on the inside too. We have
The quality is so nice.
leather straps in here, so you can stick your brushes, concealer, any small tubes really. That's nice so they don't go flying around.
And again, the case, very sturdy, so nothing is gonna get damaged nor broken, which is very important.
very well made. Very well made.
Can
Love
we
this.
talk about what you're wearing? Can we talk
you
about
mean
that?
these right here?
Yes.
So these shades are in the style Lolita, and it is by Le Specs. I think these are super cute, super trendy.
You look adorable. I love it.
Serving all the looks today. How are you? Thank you guys so much for joining us today on the sneak peek for BoxyPopUp. You guys, this is such a great deal on all of these products. Huge discount.
Also, remember, this is just some of the many items that you're going to be able to find in our BoxyPopUp. I mean, I'm excited. There's just so much, so many good things for you to check out. Don't forget to go to boxycharm.com so you can see that. Of course, let us know in the comments which product was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, of course.
Yes.
Sharing is caring, people. So we're going to go now because we got some shopping to do.
We have lots of shopping to do.
See you in the next one. Bye.